Hello, it's the 31st of July 2022 and Daddy and Bella are going to make a video called Why. So Bella, why do you say why all the time?
Because I like saying why.
That's not what we pre-recorded and was not the answer I was expecting. Bella, why do we say why?
So I want to.
That also was not the answer that I was expecting. Right, Bella, remember when we said this question before we was going to make a video and now it's gone completely the opposite way. So why do you always say why?
Okay, say cool.
Sorry, baby.
Say cool.
Say cool?
Yeah.
I'm so confused right now, Bells.
Where's the poo-poo? Is it upstairs or down there?
Okay,
Where's the
Cut.
poo-poo?
cut.